Video kali ini buat ngebersihin konektor charger yang kalau dibuka itu beresiko karena harus bongkar LCD. Kalau misalkan handphonenya masih segel terus kerusakannya nggak parah, cuma perlu dibersihin aja, nggak perlu bongkar. Kita lihat caranya.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I'll blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Lempengan besi. Ini harus pakai mikroskop ya, karena takutnya nanti patah si plastik tengahnya itu jangan sampai keganggu. Kotor banget kan.
No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
Ini pakai kapas yang dicelupin ke cairan IPA biar dia membersihkan. Lanjut bersihin lagi sampai benar-benar bersih. Pakai jarum lagi, pakai lempengan besi lagi, pakai pinset lagi sampai benar-benar bersih. Ini seperti kualitasnya nanti sama yang sebelumnya. Terus hati-hati ya, karena ini beresiko kalau patah ya harus bongkar. Bersih kan? Nah, itu tembaganya harus kelihatan karena ini tadinya bekas kena air, kotor, minyak. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Dilihat perbedaan kayak gimana.
Your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
Yang atas sama yang bawah.
Jauh. It takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers.